CHAT GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is a language model developed by OpenAI that uses machine learning algorithms to generate human-like text responses to prompts or questions posed by users. The model is based on the transformer architecture and was trained on a massive dataset of texts to learn patterns and relationships between words and sentences. CHAT GPT can be used for a variety of applications, including chatbots, question-answering systems, and language translation. It is particularly useful in situations where it is difficult or impractical to have a human operator respond to user queries, such as in customer service, virtual assistants, and social media interactions. One of the key features of CHAT GPT is its ability to generate natural language responses that are coherent and relevant to the input prompt. This is achieved through a process known as unsupervised learning, where the model is trained on a vast corpus of text data without any explicit human guidance. This allows the model to capture the nuances and subtleties of language that would be difficult to teach explicitly. Another important aspect of CHAT GPT is its ability to adapt to different contexts and domains. The model can be fine-tuned on specific datasets to improve its performance on particular tasks or to customize its responses for specific applications. This makes it a powerful tool for companies and organizations looking to develop conversational interfaces that can provide personalized, contextualized interactions with their customers. CHAT GPT is not without its limitations, however. One of the main challenges with language models like GPT is that they can generate responses that are biased or offensive, reflecting the biases and prejudices that are present in the training data. To mitigate this issue, researchers are working on developing techniques for identifying and removing bias from language models, as well as incorporating ethical considerations into the training process. Overall, CHAT GPT represents a significant advancement in the field of natural language processing and has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. As the technology continues to evolve and improve, we can expect to see even more sophisticated and capable chatbots and virtual assistants that can provide more human-like and personalized interactions with users.